In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a powerful Monday.com daily planner that keeps your entire day organized from morning to night. Whether you're managing work tasks, personal goals, study sessions, or client projects, this setup will help you stay focused, reduce overwhelm, and actually finish what you start. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional daily planning system inside Monday.com that you can reuse every single day. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more practical Monday.com tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, we're going to create a new daily planner board. On the left sidebar inside Monday.com, open your workspace where you want this planner to live. Once you're inside your workspace, click on the Add button. From the menu that appears, select New Board. Now give your board a clear name like Daily Planner or My Day. If this planner is just for you, choose the private option so only you can see it. Then click Create Board. You now have a clean foundation to build your daily system. Next, we're going to organize your day using groups. Groups in Monday.com are perfect for breaking your day into clear sections so you always know what to focus on. I recommend creating 4 groups: morning, afternoon, evening, and completed. To add a group, scroll to the bottom of your board and click Add Group. Name the first one Morning. Then repeat the process to create afternoon, evening, and finally completed. This structure gives your day a natural flow and makes it visually clear where each task belongs. Now let's customize your columns so you can properly manage each task. To add a new column, click the plus sign next to your last column. Here are the most useful columns for a daily planner. Add a status column so you can mark tasks as to do, in progress, or done. Add a date column to assign deadlines or schedule tasks for specific days. Add a priority column so you can mark items as high, medium, or low importance. You can also add a text column for notes or extra details. These columns give you both structure and flexibility, allowing you to see exactly what needs attention at a glance. Once your columns are set up, it's time to add your daily tasks. Under the Name column, click into an empty row and type your first task. For example, Morning Workout, Team Meeting, or Finish Report. After naming the task, fill in the status, set the priority, and choose the date if needed. Then drag that task into the appropriate group: morning, afternoon, or evening. Continue adding all the tasks you plan to complete today. This simple act of organizing tasks by time of day can dramatically improve focus and reduce decision fatigue throughout the day. Now here's the game changer: adding useful views to make your planner even more powerful. At the top of your board, click Add View. First, add a calendar view. This allows you to see all your tasks laid out by date, which is perfect for planning ahead and avoiding overload. Next, add a kanban view. This gives you a drag-and-drop board based on status, so you can visually move tasks from to-do to in progress to done. Finally, use the My Work view if available. This view shows only the tasks assigned to you and highlights what needs attention today. These views transform your planner from a simple list into a complete productivity system. As you go through your day, move completed tasks into the completed group. This keeps your active sections clean and gives you a clear sense of progress. At the end of the day, you can review what you finished, move unfinished items forward, and duplicate the board for the next day if needed. Over time, this system becomes a repeatable daily routine that keeps you organized and in control. And that's it. You now have a fully functional Monday.com daily planner that organizes your morning, afternoon, and evening, tracks priorities, and gives you multiple views to stay on top of everything. If this video helped you set up your planner, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Monday.com productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.